How to add food to your chart. It's super easy. Make sure watch the complete video. Firstly, open the app. You can see here search for a food. Write the name of the food here, like you want to eat cake here, and you can see different types of cakes will appear here according to their calories. Click on which you want, like 210 calories. In this way you have to select a meal here: breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks. Like I like to eat cake and snacks. Right here, click on this check mark which is present at the right top corner. Click here. You can see, click on the all options: my meals, my recipes, my foods. You can see here this type of food will appear here. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.